Hi, this is Dr. Alvarez, and this is a short video introducing you to advising in the Department of Sociology here at Cal State Fullerton. So, why would you come to advising here? Well, one thing is in order to get course planning, so if you're trying to figure out what courses you need to take next semester to meet your major and GE requirements, you could come here and speak with us. Another reason might be if you want to do some graduation planning. So you're plotting out your route to graduation and you're trying to ensure that you're meeting all the requirements for graduation. That would be a good reason to come. In addition, if you want to explore what your post-graduation options are, if you're thinking about graduate school, if you're thinking of applying to specific jobs and you want to discuss that with one of us, that's a perfectly valid reason to come talk with us, and it's something that we're trying to put increased focus on, so please do come see us. Finally, if you're on academic probation or if you just find yourself struggling and you want to speak with somebody in the department about tips and tools that you can use to improve your performance, that's also a good reason to come and talk to us as well. If you simply need a signature on a form, for instance, if you are want to pick up the minor or if you are adding a concentration, those forms can just simply be left at the front office of the department, which is on the 9th floor of the College Park building. Once the form has been signed by an advisor, you will be contacted by email to come back and pick up the form. If you are interested in getting advising, what should you do? The first thing that you should do is to go to the Department of Sociology website. There you will see a link along the very top that says advising. If you click there, that will take you to the advising webpage. There are two things there that are of interest to you. The first thing is a bunch of resources that we have made available that cover things like how to read a TDA, how to apply for graduation, how to find GE courses. Perhaps more importantly, however, you can also find out information about when we have appointments available and when we have walk-in hours. So what does that mean? We allow for students to set up appointments with our advisors for either 15 or 30 minutes to discuss their issues. If you have a quick question, a 15-minute appointment is probably best. If you have a longer question, particularly if you're thinking about your post-graduation planning, a 30-minute appointment is probably in order. There will be a link on the advising page that will take you to a website where you can set up this appointment. In addition to the appointment links, there is also a listing of the times for walk-in hours. Walk-in hours are done on a first come, first served basis, and you simply show up and you are taken again on a first come, first served basis. After you've made your appointment or you decide to come to walk-in hours, what should you do? Well, all advising is done in the department, so you need to come to the 9th floor of the College Park building, and then there's a waiting room for advising in room 914. You will find there a sheet of paper that's the sign-in sheet, and you should sign in with your name, and you should also indicate whether you have an appointment or you're there for walk-in hours. Then an advisor will be out to get you either at your appointment time or when it's your turn to be seen. In terms of preparation for your advising appointment, you do not need to actually have a printed out TDA. However, it is a good idea to have reviewed your TDA prior to coming in to see your advisor so that you know what's there and that there are no surprises for you. We look forward to seeing you here at advising in the sociology department.